Hello everyone! It's great to continue accompanying you on your journey of caring for and propagating roses at home using simple yet highly effective methods. First, prepare a healthy rose cutting that is of moderate age and free from pests and diseases. Choose a semi-mature branch with a sturdy but still vibrant stem, as these are more likely to root quickly and are less likely to wilt during propagation. After selecting a suitable branch, use a sharp knife or scissors to trim the rose cutting to about 20 centimeters in length. Next, remove all leaves, thorns, and any damaged petals from the stem. Removing leaves reduces transpiration, limiting water loss before the cutting develops roots. Removing damaged flowers also helps prevent fungal diseases from developing around the cutting. Then, prepare a clean chicken egg and separate the egg, white and yolk. The egg yolk contains many natural proteins, vitamins, and minerals that provide initial nutrition for the cutting. Next, take a fresh lemon, wash it, and cut it in half. Squeeze all the lemon juice into the cup containing the egg yolks and stir the mixture well. The mild acidity of the lemon helps clean the surface of the cuttings, inhibit bacteria, and protect the roots from rotting. When combined with the egg yolks, this mixture creates a nutrient-rich and naturally moist environment that stimulates the formation of new root tissue. After stirring, soak the rose cuttings in this mixture for about 15 minutes to allow them to absorb the necessary nutrients. While waiting for the cuttings to soak, prepare 2 small, ripe tomatoes weighing approximately 80 grams in total. Wash the tomatoes, chop them, and place them in a clean plastic cup. Add about 500 milliliters of clean water to the cup, stir well, and let it sit for 15 minutes. Tomatoes contain many vitamins, minerals, and natural organic acids that help strengthen the cutting's resistance. In addition, the tomato juice provides stable moisture, supporting the formation of new roots more effectively. Next, prepare a clean plastic cup and fill it with treated river sand. Clean river sand is a very suitable growing medium for cuttings because it is highly porous, retains moisture moderately, and prevents root rot. Before use, wash and treat the sand to remove bacteria or impurities that could affect the cuttings. After soaking for the required time, filter out the tomato pulp to obtain the clear liquid. Next, add a spoonful of honey to the tomato solution and stir well. Honey not only provides natural sugar, but also has mild antibacterial properties, helping to protect the base of the cuttings from fungal diseases in a humid environment. The tomato and honey mixture will become a natural nutrient source that helps maintain moisture and stimulates faster root growth. Slowly pour this solution into the cup of sand, enough to moisten the entire growing medium without making the sand waterlogged. Then, remove the rose cuttings from the cup containing the egg yolk and lemon mixture. Gently insert the rose cutting deep into the center of the cup of sand, ensuring the base makes good contact with the moist substrate below. When inserting the cutting, gently secure it to keep it stable and prevent it from tilting during care. To maintain consistent moisture for the cutting, place another clear plastic cup over the cutting. This creates a mini greenhouse-like environment, minimizing water loss and maintaining the appropriate humidity. However, the cup should still be placed in a cool, well-ventilated area, away from strong winds and harsh sunlight. Direct sunlight will cause the temperature inside the cup to rise, leading to rapid dehydration and damage to the cutting. After about 10 days, the rose cutting will begin to sprout lush green shoots, and the stem will become stronger and healthier. Carefully observing the base, you will see many new white roots growing around the stem. The roots are quite thick and evenly developed. This is a sign that the cutting has adapted well and is entering a period of vigorous growth. Roses are not only distinguished by their elegant beauty, but are also loved by many for their delicate fragrance and ability to brighten up living spaces. However, to successfully propagate a rose cutting, especially to help it quickly develop roots and healthy shoots, growers need to create a sufficiently moist, clean, and nutrient-rich environment in the initial days. Instead of using chemical rooting hormones, today we will utilize familiar ingredients such as eggs, lemon, tomatoes, and honey, to create a mixture that supports the natural development of the cutting. With consistent and correct steps, you will see the cutting begin to form a strong white root system along with vibrant green shoots. Once the root system is well established, you can transfer the plant to a larger pot with a loose, porous substrate such as coconut fiber to allow it to continue growing. In the initial period after a planting, place the plant in a location with gentle light to allow it to gradually adapt before moving it to a sunnier area. Careful care during this stage will help the plant quickly establish roots in its new environment, develop healthy green leaves, and produce its first flower buds soon. Hopefully, this method of propagating roses by cuttings using a combination of eggs, lemon, tomatoes, and honey will provide you with a useful experience in caring for your plants at home. The joy of propagating roses lies not only in the final result, but also in the pleasure of observing the small changes each day. From the bare cutting to the appearance of the first white roots and vibrant young shoots. With just a little patience and simple ingredients from your kitchen, you can create healthy and vibrant rose plants yourself. We wish you success in your endeavour, hoping you will soon have many healthy rose bushes. Blooming beautifully all year round, and always maintaining your passion for your beloved little garden.